Join a pickup game. Dive into spontaneous sports. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's all about spontaneity and community in the world of sports. Join a pickup game. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means, where you might hear it, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone mentions joining a pickup game, they're talking about participating in a casual, informal sports match that's not officially organized. These games are usually free from rigid rules, schedules, and uniforms. The beauty of pickup games is in their simplicity and the fact that they're open to everyone, regardless of skill level. While the exact origin of pickup game is a bit hazy, it's widely believed to be rooted in the idea of picking up a game spontaneously. This can happen in parks, streets, or any available open space where people interested in playing a sport can gather. Over time, pickup became synonymous with spontaneity and informal play. Pickup games are most commonly associated with sports like basketball, soccer, and volleyball, but they can extend to any sport. You might find these games in local parks, school playgrounds, beaches, or even in online communities where people organize to meet and play. It's a great way to meet new people, enjoy physical activity, and practice a sport without the pressure of formal competition. Joining a pickup game is not just about the sport. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the English language and culture. These games often involve teamwork, communication, and a lot of casual, everyday English. It's a practical setting to learn new phrases, slang, and understand the cultural nuances of language in a fun and engaging environment. Now that you know what it means to join a pickup game, let's put it into context. You might say, "I'm going to join a pickup game of basketball this evening at the park." Do you want to join a pickup game? I heard there's a soccer match happening nearby. She loves to join pickup games of volleyball at the beach. These examples show how versatile and easy it is to incorporate this phrase into your daily conversations, especially when talking about leisure activities and sports. And that's a wrap on today's topic. Join a pickup game. We hope you found this video insightful and that it adds a fun, sporty twist to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the culture and context in which they're used. So, why not put your sneakers on and join a pickup game near you? It could be a fantastic opportunity to practice English in a lively and dynamic setting. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and keep having fun with English.